This shout out kay Boy Tap. Ginagawa mo. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video guys, I'm going to have a bushcraft camp, a survival skill. I'm going to show you how to survive the forest without anything, or you can find something to eat around the forest. So please press the subscribe button and the notification bell. Who's there? And I'm gonna bring to my camp. This come from the tree. It's this I don't know what I call it. This is a lot of this. So but it's sticky, so you can't touch it because it sticks to your skin, but it's flammable and good to make a fire. It's not hard to make a fire. Then, yeah, this one. Oh shit. That's it. So here, I got something to eat now. I'm gonna cook this. So I'm getting some mushroom. I'm taking this mushroom here. It's right here. It's the big one. Yeah. It's too many of this. It's too many. So it's a survival. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you how to eat this, and I'm going to cook this later. This is come from the tree. go. Oh. I like to drink some coffee, so mix some hot water using a bamboo. So it's a little bit quiet in the mountain. You're inside the forest. If you're alone, there's nothing you can hear but the sound of frog and some animals. But my water is a little bit hot, I think. I hope it's hot because I'm a little bit hungry right now. So even a coffee. Kape po tayo, guys. This is my coffee. And this. So this is my cup, and let's have some coffee. It's getting dark, so I'm already prepared everything. I'm cooking a mushroom from the tree. So as you can see, and I'll put it in the bamboo. So I'm a little bit hungry, but I have to wait until this mushroom will be cooked and ready to eat. So that's it. So let's try this mushroom. Yeah, mushroom from the tree. Actually, I'm hungry. So it's good. So tasty. So yun guys, sarap siya. So it's time to sleep. See you in the morning guys.
The next day.
So hello guys, good morning. It's a little dark here and cold. So the music of the forest, the sound of the bird and insects. Yeah. Oh. I had to wake up early to find something to eat this morning. And it's so cold and there's some mosquito. Lucky to have this mosquito net. So that's my water. Oh. Sorry about that something guys. There's something. So here's my coffee guys. Yeah. At the bamboo beds resort. Yeah, guys. So need some drink, some coffee. Having a coffee right now, and I know I don't know what time is it. It's the morning. It's the morning, guys. It's the morning. So I'm going to find some road crab and cook it and take my breakfast and then go home. Well, probably I go home. Right, we can eat this now. Oh, it's a little bit hot. So guys, so you need to remove the scale, a little scale, yes, this scale here. Need to remove that, but just like this, guys. See, guys, if you are strong, you can do that. But if you're not, so you don't have to. So that's it. So after that, you can eat this. I'm going to eat this. Shout out kay Boy Tapang, but this is safe and tasty. So here you can see. So you can see this. It's ready to eat. Yeah, it's ready to eat. So you can eat this. Yeah, it's good. Sorry about that. My phone. It's my phone. Yes, my phone is almost full memory.
So good. Yeah. This will be my breakfast. Yeah. I'm gonna get some root craft and then cook it. Go home after that. Okay, so see you later, guys, and enjoy the food. Mm. Mm.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.